fuck?
You know it's illegal to be standing that close to the tracks, right?
So I was killing myself. What are they gonna do? Arrest my mangled corpse?
I really doubt that. That train is gonna blow you into a million pieces, and the cops in this town, they're not gonna put that much effort into it.
Who are you? What do you want?
It's really not about what I want. It's about what you want.
What I want is to jump in front of the next train that goes by.
Well, that is the issue that I'm having.
What are you gonna do? Try and stop me?
Why else would I be here, you dingus?
I don't know. Maybe you like trains.
You know, I really do like trains, and it just the thought of a bleeding, mangled corpse dangling off the front of one just kind of ruins the idea for me.
How comforting.
Now, I'm not really here to comfort you.
Who the hell are you?
I am a figment of your imagination.
So you're not just some random ass good Samaritan here to stop me from killing myself?
No, I'm the part of you that wants to live, Steve.
Fuck. Must have already jumped. Must already be in hell.
Why would you think that?
I don't know. Now you're here and I'm gonna have to listen to some bullshit story about, oh, you have so much to live for. Ha ha. Because I've heard that all before.
No. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, man. Your life is a hot dumpster fire.
Thanks.
Well, you know, I completely understand why you would want to throw yourself in front of a train. I mean, with everything you've had going on lately. If I was in your shoes, I'd probably want to do the same thing.
How the fuck is this supposed to help me?
Well, it isn't, but no matter how much of a colossal fuck up you are, no matter how pathetic and meaningless you think your life is, you know, I'm still here. The most optimistic part of you, the part that wants to live, I'm still here.
Wow. So the most optimistic part of me is still a cynical asshole.
Yeah, but as long as I'm here, you're not going to jump in front of that train.
Fuck, I am in hell.
No, not yet. Not today.
So if I can make you go away, then I can die.
Thanks for not ruining trains for me, Steve.
Fuck off. I need a drink.